The best herbs for pain and inflammation. When it comes to managing pain, drugs are often the norm. Instead, looking to nature's gifts can be a welcome change. For hundreds of years, people from many countries have used herbs to treat pain and inflammation. They are gentle and effective. Let's look at some of the best plants that are known for their powerful pain-relieving and inflammation-fighting abilities. 1. Turmeric. Also known as the golden spice, turmeric has become very famous because it is so good at reducing inflammation. Curcumin, which is what makes it work, tackles several inflammatory pathways in the body to lower pain and swelling. It's easy to add turmeric to your daily life. You can sprinkle it on your food. Make a calm cup of turmeric tea, or blend it into your morning smoothie. For example, drink a warm mug of turmeric coffee first thing in the morning. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a dash of cinnamon, and a hint of honey to any milk you like. Heat the milk and enjoy. Warmth from the tea will help you get ready for the day. So take a moment to enjoy it and let it fill you up. 2. Ginger. Ginger is related to turmeric and has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Thanks to a bioactive compound called gingerol, ginger can help with many kinds of pain, like arthritis, muscle soreness, and menstrual cramps. It can be eaten fresh, dried, or made into tea. As an example of a daily practice, soak fresh ginger slices in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes to make ginger tea. Sip it slowly while doing deep breathing or meditation, to get the most out of its calming benefits and help you relax in general. 3. This plant, Boswellia, is also called Indian frankincense. It has been used for hundreds of years in Ayurvedic medicine to treat pain and inflammation. Boswellic acids, which are its main ingredients, stop pro-inflammatory enzymes from working. This makes it especially good for treating osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. As an example of a daily practice, take standardized Boswellia extract pills as part of your daily supplement routine. Follow the directions on the package for the right amount of medicine to take for the best benefits. 4. Willow bark. This plant comes from the bark of the white willow tree and has salicin in it, a chemical that is similar to aspirin and is known to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. You can drink willow bark tea, take it in pill form, or make a tincture from it. 1 teaspoon of dried willow bark should be steeped in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes to make a cup of willow bark tea. You can drink this earthy tea instead of over-the-counter painkillers for a natural option. 5. Devil's claw. This plant comes from southern Africa and has been used for a long time to ease the pain and inflammation of diseases like arthritis and back pain. The main chemicals in it, called harpagosides, have anti-inflammatory effects that make joints less stiff and painful. As an example of a daily practice, you could take devil's claw in the form of capsules, or add a few drops of the tincture to your morning juice or drink. 6. Arnica. Arnica is a flowering plant that grows naturally in Europe and Siberia. It is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and ease pain. It has chemicals in it, like helenolin and antioxidants, that help bruises, sprains, and muscle soreness by reducing swelling and relieving pain. As needed, put arnica gel or cream on the affected area and gently massage it into the skin until it's fully absorbed. Do this several times a day to get the most relief. 7. Pepper cayenne. The chemical capsaicin in cayenne pepper is what makes it hot. And it's also a very strong pain reliever because it dulls the body's pain receptors. Capsaicin can help with diseases like neuropathic pain and arthritis. Sample daily practice. Add cayenne pepper to your food for a spicy kick. Or mix cayenne pepper powder with coconut oil and beeswax to make a homemade pain-relieving balm. Put the salve on areas that hurt to get specific relief. 8. Stinging nettle. Even though it has a reputation for being sharp, stinging nettle is a great plant for treating pain and inflammation. Nettle is full of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive substances like flavonoids and carotenoids that can help ease the pain of conditions like gout and osteoarthritis. Try making nettle tea every day by letting dried nettle leaves soak in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Drink this healthy plant tea to help your joints stay healthy and reduce inflammation. 9. White willow bark. White willow bark has salicin, a natural substance that works like aspirin to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. People often use it to ease the pain of headaches, muscles, and period cramps. 1 tablespoon of dried willow bark should be simmered in water for 15 to 20 minutes to make a pot of white willow bark tea. Strain this plant medicine and use it as needed during the day to ease pain. 10. Chamomile. Chamomile is known for relaxing the nervous system. It can also help ease the pain of conditions like arthritis and stomach problems, because it helps reduce inflammation. Sample daily practice. Drink a cup of chamomile tea before bed to help you relax and ease stress in your muscles. Chamomile essential oil can also be put on sore muscles or joints to help with localized pain. Using these strong herbs on a daily basis can help with pain and inflammation naturally, while also improving your general health without the possible side effects of drugs. For that reason, it's important to talk to a doctor before starting any herbal plan, especially if you're already on medicine or have a health problem. These herbal allies can help you take a healthier, more whole-person approach to pain control, if you use them regularly and with care. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet again in new videos. Stay healthy.